What's up, everybody? My name's Christine, and I am a day trader, and I've been trying to do this for a year, almost a year. Basically, started around this time last year, heavy in April, trying to do the prop firm thing, Apex, um, Top Step, Take Profit. I managed to pass a couple take profits in Apex, and I never was able to take a payout. I just blew the account. So I decided to dial in my strategies and really focus on, um, learning the process and how I wanted to trade because I would just be seeing all this stuff on YouTube and there's so many different gurus and advice and indicators and whatever. So anyway, long story short, I did come across this was last year, trade the pool. Because initially I wanted to learn stocks and I just didn't have enough capital to be able to day trade without getting hit with a PDT roll. So that's what eventually I landed on after losing a lot of money, my own money, landed on the futures prop firms and eventually found Trade the Pool. And everyone and their mother literally is doing prop firm, especially futures or FX prop firm videos and whatnot. And I was really found very little on Trade the Pool when I was trying to research them. So just last week, I decided, you know what? I'm going to try Trade the Pool again. And still, I am working on passing an Apex again. I do have a Trade-A-Five funded account, a 20K or 25K. So, yeah, we can go over those in a different video. But anyway, this is going to be about Trade the Pool. Just kind of talking a little bit of history, about myself, and I just started a YouTube channel. This is a new YouTube channel. I also started a blog. I started this blog last year. So it's kind of funny. It was kind of a journal for myself, and it's kind of funny going back and reading it, and I hope it's useful to any of you out there that are wanting to know maybe what prop firms, or if you're brand new to everything like I was last year, what can happen. Um, and the brutal, honest truth of really how hard, it is to trade, to day trade, and mentally. So, anyway, so just trade the pool. That's my account. You can see I'm down. And like I said, I just got this account Tuesday. I was up in the account, had a rough day yesterday, which was Friday, February 7th, I believe. It's yesterday, yeah. So Michigan Sentiment came out, and I was in this initially, and I got caught this up, and it was awesome, and I was like, all right. And again, I wasn't going by my rules by waiting for it to come back down to VWAP, which was kind of more down here. But even coming to touch the 21, so it's a 21 EMA. This is the 50. I like using these on a 5 minute time frame. And instead, I was like, I just went all crazy. So anyway, long story short, I got hemmed up in here. I went kind of max contracts. I kind of got him. I rebought. I think it was right in here, honestly. Rebought on that. I shouldn't have. It was because VWAP was down here. I should have let it come back down further. It came down lower, and I kept adding. Eventually, by the time in this, like everything was down here. By the time it started coming down, I was like, dang, it didn't hold the 21. I moved my stop loss, and this program has a $300 daily soft breach. And honestly, I knew I was close, and boom, it soft breached me. So I had some other trades too in between this one, because when I came back to check on this, that's when I re-entered. And I had some fails. I was in Google, that failed. So yeah, anyway, long story short, lessons learned. I only have to dig myself out of $163 on Monday here, which shouldn't be too hard. Actually, kind of, I like trading stocks. I feel like it's a little bit easier for me to find more setups versus just trying to trade the MES, which is the S&P, and that's what I trade for futures. I was trying to trade all kinds of things and just kept failing. So anyway, you can see here, and this will obviously update Monday when I start trading, but so yeah, daily loss, max drawdown. So I still, I'll be fine. I feel like I can pass this week. You need 1350. This is the 20K account. I just want to start off with the 20K account. I don't even know if you're allowed multiple accounts on this. To be honest, I was gonna find that out. Um, it's actually I still find that out. I think I just need to bring it to thing there. So let's see here. I mean, this goes over everything. I do have a link. I will have the link to this and a link to my blog in the video description as well. Maybe I should do that. See. Yeah, that's just kind of, and they do have the rules, like you have to hold stuff for 60 seconds. You have to make at least 10 cents for the trade to count in this phase. But anyway, I was just trying to see how many accounts can you have. Maybe you can only have one. Well, you can scale the account, so maybe possibly you can only have one account, but they do offer scaling as so you can grow the account. Let's see. Da, da, da. Should tell you here possibly. Let's see. And it's cool. You have 45 days, and I don't believe you pay a price once you get funded either. I think it's just this price, I believe. So I've never seen anything where it does say that. So and it's cool. You can trade pretty much any ticker. I have found it. Penny stocks, small cap, mid cap, large cap. All right, so all right, let's see here. How do I continue to pull this? Maybe you can only have one. Let's see here. Yeah, so this kind of looks like that. I'm gonna get 20K one, so that I can probably grow that one pretty fast. And this one you only needed 10 trades, probably because it's a small account. But anyway, let's get out of this. So this, oops. Anyway, so this is, you see the first one I did, and I look back. Let's see, actually it was, man, I didn't realize it. I just did this demo real quick, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it again. So you can see here, 20K. So, back to this. This is their platform. You have to use their platform. It's actually not bad. You set everything up how you want it, and you can if you want. Um, so, I have the hourly, which, I have set up some levels here. See if it pulls back. I believe there is earnings for this next week. I think that's why it's kind of come down to this perfect. Thing. We've got the cross. I'm using a 21 and a 50. It's what I like on the hourly to give me a broader sense of trend. Because for me, I like trend trading, reversal trading, and momentum volume trading. So you can see here, this identifies trends pretty well, and you can see re-entry levels as well. So here where it crossed, you would have taken the short. We can zoom in a little bit better here. So it crossed on this day. So it gapped down. So it's going to cause it to cross. You can see, you wait for the retest and you take the short. And this could have been a swing trade. But with this one, you can, and maybe I see if I can get two accounts. Maybe you can get one swing trade, one day trade account. That'd be cool. But So you could get a swing trade account on this, and there are different rules for that. So actually, why don't we go look at that? Back to this. So swing trade. So right here, blah blah blah. Probably the same thing. You will pass when you reach 3 times. That's the same thing. Oops. I'll stay on my past lines. I actually want to see that here. So how do I scale my account for the day trade? So the mini, that's what I have. So 10%, so $2,000. So you don't take a payout, basically. So $2,000 and you end up with $2,000. And then you would get a little extra on your daily pause. Oh, so you have to have that one funded? I guess you still have the daily pause funded, which is actually good when you're funded, honestly. I don't like it. I hope to never hit that again. So anyway, I would have liked to have gotten. Let's go look at other phases actually, so you can see. All right, so here we are on the site. I got this one, the mini buying power. See the profit target's 1350, which I was like, you know what, I can pass this within a couple weeks. I feel confident. Um, I'm not looking to get in a lot of positions because I only want to be in 1 or 2 positions max to manage it during the day because I'm getting in high volume stocks usually. Max loss 900. I feel like that's manageable to set, get stop loss. Okay, so yeah, daily pause a little bit better on these, but anyway, 45 days. I like that because a lot of these are 30 days and they're renewing. I feel like 45 days is good, and I think it's a fail. Alright, that's what I think. Let's just see if we can get this to pop up. I think you would have to just start another one. It doesn't renew like Top Step or Apex or anything. So let's see here. Why? There we go. Restarted. Like, we'll start drinking. So, see. Is there anything else? Yes, no. But there is a payout split. Like most of these firms, payout split. That's just part of it. So, all right. So here we go. Here where you can see this part. It's like the bigger one. You have to stay in the longer, obviously, to get more. A little bit easier, it's harder because it's so 10 cents, all these. So anyway, cash out rules. So yeah, 14 days on everything, and minimum profit days. Let's see what this is. So a minimum of 3 profitable days is required, which that's easy. Like within the 10-day or 14 days, if you can't get 3 good trading days in 14 days, how are you even funded? So I'm gonna look at it really. So it looks like it's easy to get your money. Easy meaning a lot of these ones you gotta have a lot of in a row profitable days to really get payouts. So I like that. So I mean, this one would be awesome, right? So yeah, I mean, everything looked really cool to me. Like I said, I've already passed an Apex before. I just blew it. It was a 25K, and I passed, last year, right? And I didn't even really YOLO it. I was really trying to work on, just a strategy. And it really wasn't ever really a strategy. I was kind of just always trying to buy dips on feeling. So that really has gotten me. So anyway, 80K buying power, I think that one's pretty cool. What's the difference here? The super buying. So something must be different. Yeah, so way different cash out rules. You don't need consistency. That's crazy. Wait, what? Huh. So there's no consistency rule here. Dang. 4,200 profit. I mean, that's not bad. Max loss isn't bad. That's honestly, this is like I just didn't really have the money to go all in, so maybe next one. Let's see if I can get there. Let's see what this one is. 475. Da-da-da, same thing. Just 14 days. Wow. Wow. Crazy to me. That's really the account I'm looking for. Wow. I'm wowing myself right now. Anyway, so that's that. So that's this. So I do use TradingView, and for my own personal account, I have been looking at some swings, and that's why GME is up. But let's look at SMCI and what happened Friday. Now you can see here. I just kind of changed up that one. So that's 800. And what is this one? The 7. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to a 9 just for this. Okay, so kind of shows the trend a little bit better here. And honestly, what I was looking for, what I'm hoping for, and it might not happen. And I also look at this on my Weeble too, and I have this on a different computer screen. I'm just showing this screen. So I'm kind of looking for this pullback on this for Monday, and I have some other ideas for Monday. But back to trade the pool. So you can have your different time frames. You got the super dollar. I got a 1 minute. I do obviously look at the 5 minute throughout the day and the 1 minute right here. But you got the daily, everything for Confluence. And yeah, so it's kind of a cool thing. I'll probably make a video of me live trading maybe on Monday or Tuesday, but this I just want to give an overview. This is my first video for the channel, and just wanted to go over Trade the Pool, use my link, and I believe you get a discount right now. So yeah, check it out. If you're interested in maybe if you are trading futures or FX, but you're interested in getting into stocks too, this is probably the most legit prop firm out there that I could see. So, and moving forward, we'll go over everything. You'll see all my trades. You'll see me. You can look at all the trades. It's not going to show it here now, but we'll go over everything on uh Monday after Monday trading session. So anyway, that's that. And anyway, have a good day. I hope you enjoyed this video and this series. Will continue. Please subscribe and like. I am brand new and I'd like to grow my channel as most people are doing futures prop trading reviews, and I will do those as well, but kind of want to just do trade the pool right now for you guys. All right, thanks.